passenger side wiper on this 2010 BMW 528i broke off recently. I've never changed these before, so let's see how it goes. To start, I'll stop by my local Autozone. Their wiper selection is fairly easy to navigate. They have a barcode that you can scan that takes you to a site to enter your vehicle information. It then tells you your wiper size and brand and the part number to look for. My BMW has two different sizes. Driver's side is 24 inches, passenger side is 22 to 24 inches. Not quite sure what that means, but I ended up getting the 22 inch. The key here is to match it up to the one you currently have on your passenger side to make sure it's also 22 inches. If not, you can always bring it back and get the 24. It did give me multiple options to choose from, but I went with the cheapest, which was the Duralast Flex. I'll also be replacing the driver's side, so the total cost for this project is around $46 plus tax. Now for the main reason of the video. The instructions provided with the Duralast Flex wipers is not the greatest. Hopefully this video will fill in some blanks. The instructions say 1. Identify the wiper arm and required adapter, 2. Install the new wiper, and 3. Remove the cover sticker to activate the wear indicator. Then it shows a lot of pictures and steps, but here's what you do. First, remove your wiper blade. To remove my blade, I had to press this clip forward until it released from the arm. As you can see, there is a raised piece on the other side that catches into a groove in the arm, and then the other one pushes forward, allowing you to remove it. While we're at the car, inspect what type of arm we have. It's best to do this with instructions in hand. Of all the diagram options on the instructions, choose the picture that best resembles your arm. That'll tell you which adapter you need. Now we know which adapter we need. If it's not the one already attached to the blade, which mine isn't, then you'll have to remove it. This is the part I feel like many people will get stuck at because the instructions say to roll it off, but it's on there really good. I applied enough force to the point where I felt like I was about to break something. Since it was my first time, I didn't want to force it and ended up using 2 flathead screwdrivers to remove. But for peace of mind, you can forcefully yank it off as the instructions indicate, as I did here. Nothing broke, but had something broke, it would have been the bracket that we don't even need. Now with it removed, we can find the bracket with the number 4 on it and get it attached. To attach, there's a groove in the bottom of the bracket that slides right onto the wiper. Once it's fully seated, you'll hear a snap. To attach the wiper to the arm, we'll align the raised part of the bracket into the arm opening. Then press until the other side snaps into place. There will be a better angle in an upcoming clip. Now with the new wiper fully installed, we can remove the wear indicator cover sticker. As I mentioned in the beginning of the video, my passenger side need to replace because it broke off. But while we're at it, I'll go ahead and change out the driver's side also. This will give us a chance to review all the steps. With those steps being, remove your old blade, unpackage the new blade, reference your instructions and your arm to identify which bracket to use, remove the incorrect bracket from the new blade, install the correct bracket to the new blade, install the wiper with the new bracket to your wiper arm. Then as a final step, remove the wear indicator cover sticker. And we're done.